guys, just for a quick second, I guess, to try to pull on that stump over there. It's a small one. I'll get out and show you after, but I'm definitely not going to try to pull on it anymore because the roots go underneath that fence and underneath the neighbor's driveway. The fence goes right up to the edge of the driveway, so if anything, we'll dig around it. We'll cut it down right to the ground, maybe cover it. Same thing with this little maple tree here. I might try to pull that out, but if it seems like it starts to move roots and everything going underneath the neighbor's fence and driveway, I'm just gonna leave it be. It's not worth it, guys. So that's that. I'll be back on a time lapse. Alright, welcome back everybody that's been watching, keeping up with this playlist. I appreciate the support. We're on to our excavation of the soil part of this project. So as I was explaining, that one tree stump over there against the edge of the fence was just a little too tight and just wasn't worth risking the damage. I pulled this little maple out pretty easy. That wasn't too big of a stump, so I was happy about that. And I did start finding a lot of bricks buried under there, so I didn't want to dig much deeper because it looked like it was a big dump spot for someone at some point, so didn't want to dig into that. First truck of fill is out. We're leaving. Covering up and leaving. Alright. Still got a big pile of dirt here. First thing I'm going to do is clean all this up, swipe it over to the pile so that I can go this way, and then come over here and kind of clean it all up and leave a pile more like where my machine is right now for when he comes back. Benny's doing his thing over there, jang-a-lang. Cleaning up all the edges, following me around. Can't shake him, man. I can't shake him, man. Stay tuned. Alright guys, hope you're enjoying the video. If so and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for me guys. It goes a long way and I appreciate it. But right now I'm just getting a rough grade where this fire pit area is going to be. I will end up digging out more of what you see now. But the best thing in my mind on jobs like this is to establish a rough grade on a final grade, and then you'll know exactly where you want to place your boulders and build the wall to hold the grade back where you want it to be held back. So that's what I do. I get a rough grade before I finalize it. Alright guys, truck's been back. We all three took lunch. Now we're back at it. Truck's in place. Pile is right there. It's gonna be close. Whether we can fit it all in or not, but it's looking pretty good. Over here, Benny's gonna be fading in all the edges, raking it, and cleaning it all up. So it's kind of got a little swoop high in the middle. I don't want to change the lay of the land. It's the way it was before, but just to make it all even and pull down quite a bit really. But so we got to clean up all the edges, cut the roots. But first things first, get this dirt loaded into that truck. Let's do it. if you guys are still with me, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this second part of building a Boulder fire pit area. Make sure you check out the first part if you didn't, where we ripped up the roots, and check out the next part where we're going to excavate the actual area out and backfill with 3/4 to prepare for our Boulder wall install.